Good to go. In this tutorial, we're going to be going over the basics of creating a custom bullet list in Microsoft Word 2010. It's a very simple process. The first thing that we did before we came in was we created a .png with the graphic that we wanted to use. You can use um, any graphic that you want. I would say the smaller the better. MS Word actually scales the excuse me, scales the picture size down to the most um, adequate level. So basically for the font. So that's not a whole lot that you have to worry about. But I would say to use the smallest file possible. That's just me as a designer. I just prefer to use smaller graphics, the smallest graphics that I can. So by default, we see here a custom, or excuse me, our starter bullet list. When you come in and you push this button, it'll open the most recent button that, or a bullet list that you've used. And as you can see here, ours was the default button. Now we did already create a list called bullet, and I'm going to show you how we did this. Very simple, and we're going to use idea as a practice. Uh, Over here in our practice folder, which you don't see over here, we have the graphic inside for both bullet and practice. I'm going to show you how to call those for a bullet list. You're going to click on the little arrow there, and you're going to come down here to define new list. You have two choices. Starting off, you can define a list based on symbols, which opens the default library here in MS Word, and you can do some funky stuff with the defaults, or you can come over here and click picture. Now if you already have it preloaded like we did, then you'll see different graphics pop up here from your MS Office library. But if you don't have it, all you need to do is click import, navigate to the folder that contains the graphic that you want to use for a bullet. In our case, it was practice on the desktop. We're going to click the name of the picture. In our case, it'll be idea. You're going to add it. And once you add it, it'll be here. You click on that and then click OK, and then OK. And as you can see, the bullet list changes. Alright, one more time, just in case you didn't see it. You can right click, go down to bullets, and then define new bullet list, picture, import, navigate to the folder, oh sorry, wrong folder, practice, and pick the graphic you want to use, add. And don't forget on the way out to click the name, the one that you want to use. We'll just click another one here so you can see it work. And then now you can see the little cookies there, or whatever that is, or a paint. It's like a painter's thing. And now you see the bullet list. Okay. Thanks for viewing. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.